Hello bachcho, let's read the question. Which one of the following option is correct for A, B and C? Marked in the diagram of recombinant DNA technology. Option 1, A is exonuclease, B is ligase and C is transformation. Option 2, A is endonuclease, B is gyrase and C is transformation. Option C, A is exonuclease, B is hydrolase and C is transduction. And D is A is restriction endonuclease, B is ligases and C is transformation. So इस क्वेश्चन में हमें आइडेंटिफाई करना है A, B and C marked in the diagram of recombinant DNA technology. So key concept for this question is recombinant DNA technology. Recombinant DNA technology. So recombinant DNA technology use होती है to alter genetic material to obtain enhanced or to create desired characteristics. So recombinant DNA technology में हम यूज करते हैं एक foreign DNA and the vector DNA जिसको कट करा जाता है at specific points using restriction endonuclease. So A is restriction endonuclease जो कि एक एंजाइम होता है जो कट करता है डीएनए at specific sites. Secondly, फिर हम इस foreign DNA fragment and vector DNA fragment को join करते हैं by using DNA ligase enzyme. DNA ligase enzyme जो कि हमारा हेल्प करता है इन sealing of DNA fragments. So B is DNA ligase. So जब foreign DNA हमारा इंट्रोड्यूस हो जाता है into the vector DNA, इस प्रोसेस को हम बोलते हैं transformation. So C is transformation or integration of foreign DNA in the vector. So A is restriction endonuclease, B is ligase and C is transformation. So D is the correct answer. I hope you understood the question well. Best of luck.